everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I've got the IPSY GLAM bag plus for you guys today. I actually re-upped on IPSY. I like getting the beauty bags because it replenishes my supply a little bit. I was off of IPSY for a while because they've got their regular, their plus, and their ultimate. Wasn't crazy about the ultimate, but now I've settled in on the plus for a few months to see what happens. So, this one is called Feel the Love for Valentine's Day, and I actually have the product list up on my computer. I'm not sure if they're actually showing now. Again, a lot of them are taking out the little flyer insert that we used to get. So the first thing that I see in here is, I haven't got a IPSY bag in a long time. The little bags. I do like these. My daughter likes taking these, with her, just, to put little things in. So I definitely like the bag. And this one is cute. It's kind of like a pink. It's got like a crocodile skin on it. So that's cute. It's textured. Let me see what else here. What else did we get this month? I'm kind of intrigued by what is in this package. I think I know what is in here. I think this is a brush set, which I'm super excited for. I get really excited about brushes, you guys. I don't know why. If I can get this open. I need to just tear it open. Oh, this is really nice, you guys. So, check it out. We got 5 brushes from Loris. Is there a price point on these? Holy moly. Oh my gosh, you guys. It says the full size is $154. What the heck? Okay, well, if that's in fact like an accurate price, I don't know. That seems like really pricey for I would never pay that much for brushes, but these do look like a really nice set. It says, I'm probably pronouncing this wrong, L-A-R-U-C-E, Larousse. But holy moly. Okay, so they're hypoallergenic, soft synthetic brushes. Okay, $54 for the brush set. That's pretty good. And then next up, I'm thinking this is a palette. I always love a palette. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. Where is this made? Made in the USA. All right. This is good. This is a $29 value. These are actually really pretty shades for spring and summer. Check that out. It's called the Sweater Weather Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like a little sweater. So it's kind of like winter themed, but the shades are like nice and, pretty for spring. So that's cool. I'm liking this. Okay, next up. Okay, we're 2 for 2 this month. All right. Oh, we have an ink black eyeliner. I'm not even going to open this. This is getting gifted off. I have a whole bunch of friends with college students who love a good eyeliner. I cannot put eyeliner on to save my life. I use shadow under my eyes with a brush. $21 value. I see we got a lipstick. I always love getting lipsticks in beauty boxes. This one is from Bellin Argent. I hate all these names that I can't pronounce and that I look like. This is a $26 value. I love, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is kind of awkward though for a lip. It's square. But it's a really pretty shade. I like these raisiny type. Look at this, kind of what I'm wearing now. I do the Urban Decay Vice and Amulet, but this is a really pretty shade. The shade is called 3 Plays. Is that what the shade is called? That's kind of interesting. This is an odd, it's magnetic though. It's just an odd shape, but I collect unusual makeup, so that's actually good for me. And then the final product that we got this month is, let me see if I can find it on here. Where the heck is it? Oh, from Dr. Botanicals. What is this? $12 value. It's a superfood regenerating sleeping mask, so that's always cute. So I think my favorite things in this box are clearly the brushes, the eyeshadow palette, and the lipstick. So for $25, I got all kinds of good stuff. I'm super excited about IPSY this month. which is rare because sometimes I was getting a little annoyed. Oh, we got the bag too. I was not happy with the Ultimate bag. I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff just didn't thrill me. But I am super happy with this month's IPSY bag, so I think I'm going to keep them for another month, see what I get. I still have a Macy's bag coming that I'll be showing you. I like to mix in the beauty boxes. If you'd like to subscribe to IPSY, I'll put my referral code below. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back later. I have a Bath & Body Works haul. Bye-bye.